What is that mysterious ticking noise? Not over here, not over there. Kind of catchy. Snipe, Snipe, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape, Dumbledore, Snape, Severus Snape, Dumbledore, Snape, Severus Snape, Dumbledore, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape, Dumbledore, Snape, Severus Snape, Dumbledore, Harry Potter, Harry Potter, Severus Snape, Harry Potter, Harry Potter, Severus Snape, Harry 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 Dumbledore, Hermione, Dumbledore, Harry Potter, I'm Harry Potter, I'm Harry Potter, Harry Potter, singing a song all day long at Hogwarts. I found the source of the ticking. It's a pipe bomb. Yay! Voldemort, Voldemort, Voldemort.